Selling your house after retirement is a big step, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you're downsizing, you're moving closer to family, or ready for a fresh start, today I'll walk you through exactly how to sell your house smoothly right here in Las Vegas. Hi, I'm Mitch Schwartz, a senior real estate specialist here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help seniors protect their finances and secure their futures during a housing transition. And today, I'm going to share a clear step-by-step guide to selling your house after retirement. If you're planning to sell soon, now is the time to prepare. The Las Vegas market is active and you want to make the most of the opportunity. Grab a notepad, let's dig in. First, get clear on what your goals are. Are you looking to downsize? Are you looking to move into a 55+ community? Maybe relocate to be closer to family? Or maybe you're considering an assisted living community. Setting a timeline, like say selling in 6 to 12 months, is very helpful, and it'll actually help guide all the other decisions you need to make. As a matter of fact, the earlier you plan, the smoother the process can be. And you do want a smooth process, right? Next, you want to partner with an agent who understands the needs of seniors and retirees. Someone who focuses not on just selling a house fast, but protecting your financial future. That's where a senior real estate specialist like me comes in handy. I believe that seniors need much more than a sign in the yard to sell their house. And so I focus on the things that matter the most, like minimizing stress, maximizing returns, and making sure that your next move fits your lifestyle and your goals. Now, those are the things that matter, aren't they? Step 3, it's about preparing your house for the sale. See, buyers in Las Vegas, and probably just about anywhere actually, love houses that are clean, bright, and move-in ready. And they don't want to smell yesterday's dinner. So the first thing you want to do is declutter. That means get rid of all the stuff, especially large furniture that's making a room feel small. Get rid of all the little personal collections. Now, if you want to keep some of that stuff, that's fine. And you might want to just ask me about my 4-box system for decluttering. You can ask for that in the comments below. Also, freshen up. A coat of paint, minor interior updates, simple landscaping stuff can add real saleability and maybe even value to your house. Next, consider small updates and upgrades, like updated lighting, updated cabinet hardware. Those kinds of things can make a big impact without actually making it be a huge investment. Remember, the goal is to help buyers feel and see themselves living in your house. Step 4 is about pricing it right. Make no mistake, competitive pricing is crucial, especially in the Las Vegas real estate market today. According to National Association of Realtors, if a house is on the market for 30 days and there's no acceptable offer received, or there's been like 5 or 6 showings and no offers received, that generally tells us that the house is overpriced. And what you don't want to do is have it sit on the market too long. As a matter of fact, overpriced houses sit and they get stale. Price your house too low, guess what? You'll get multiple offers. In today's market, there's no reason why we can't start a competitive pricing bid war on the well-priced houses that are out there. A good real estate agent will help you run the full market analysis. A great real estate market is going to recommend a great competitive price based on local trends and help you position your house to not only sell quickly, but also sell for the best price. Number 5 is about being strategic. See, I mentioned earlier, it's not just about putting a sign in the yard to sell the house. You need professional photographs and videos, online online listings on Zillow, on Realtor.com, YouTube, other places. Open houses that are geared towards active seniors and their families. Believe it or not, their families will actually come look at their house. Even though they might not be living with them, they want to know what they're buying, right? And then targeted marketing to buyers looking for retirement-friendly houses. A strong marketing plan actually ensures that your house gets the most attention and offers, and don't you deserve that? Number 6 is about navigating all the offers and the closing of the transaction. Once offers come in, your agent or me will help you evaluate the best one. And it's not just the highest price sometimes. Many times it's the strongest overall offer. You could have a great price and maybe there's a lot of contingencies that are tied into it. That might not make it a great deal. We'll walk through all the inspections, make sure that the appraisals and paperwork is done properly, dot the I's and cross the T, making sure that everything is handled correctly and your best interests are looked out for. Let me tell you this, an average agent is going to push you to get whatever they got to get done. I'm not going to do that, and I'm actually going to walk you through at your pace to make sure you have clarity about what's expected of you, what you can expect from the buyer, what you can expect from me. So we get this done in a way that works best for you. Before you know it, guess what? You're on to your next exciting chapter. Hey, you or maybe you have a senior family member that might be considering a sale sometime in the next 12 months, or maybe you've just started planning, comment below. I'd love to hear where you're at in your journey. Guess what? Selling your house after retirement can be a big decision, but with the right plan, the right support, and the right agent like me, it can be one of the most empowering moves you ever make. Now, don't forget, when you're ready to make this move or just even start that conversation or the plan, please just give me a call, 702-303-0040. I'm here to help and guide you at every step of the way. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel for more senior video updates, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the future updates that I'm going to be publishing. Have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.